Day 2 in court for 5 alleged Springfield mob associates. 22 News I-Team reporter Ryan Walsh was inside the courtroom again today and has the latest information on this case.
The 5 men will spend another weekend in prison, but they could be released as early as next week. Today, defense attorneys cross-examined an FBI agent in the case. The U.S. attorney called the defendants puppets of the Genovese crime family. We aren't allowed to shoot any video inside federal court in Springfield. 5 men who are alleged to have ties to the mob and Springfield organized crime were fighting to get out of prison at a detention or bail hearing Friday. Did you get any sense from the judge today as what her decision may be next week?
It's very hard to tell in a situation like this. I think that all of the defendants made good arguments for their release, so we'll have to wait and see.
5 men arrested a week ago: Ralph Santinello, Frank DiPergola, Gerald Daniele, Johnny Calabrese, and Richard Valentini. This is video of Santinello and Valentini 10 years ago. After 2 days and more than 5 hours in court, the judge said she'll let the 5 men know if they'll be held in prison or released on conditions no later than Tuesday.
I don't have a sense of that. You know, the judge herself may not even have a sense as of yet, but we did the best we could in presenting his ties to the community, his very, very limited involvement. 4 of the defendants are accused of threatening a tow company owner, saying they'd cut his head off and bury him in the woods if he didn't pay $20,000. Defense attorneys portrayed the victim as a disgraced Springfield cop who was fired for an insurance scheme and used to pay the late Springfield mob boss Al Bruno a street tax. The other victim in the case said he was threatened over a gambling debt. Their next court date is in October. Monday or Tuesday, we'll find out if some or all of these men will be released or held in prison until their trial. DiPergola and Santinello are also facing charges in New York. Reporting live outside the federal courthouse in Springfield, Ryan Walsh, 22 News.